Hey y'all, it's the Vibes with and you're watching me. Welcome back to another video. If you're a returning subscriber, what it do, boo? And if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and watch the whole video.
Maybe can go to fight, cause I know what it's like, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. Got your size, had to subtract the fight. Then it don't throw no curves. Hold up, I'm going wide. We could just start at 10, then we could go to 5. I don't play with my pen, I mean what I write, yeah. Whoa, you can't help but be sexual. Tell me your schedule. I got a lot of new tricks for you, baby. Just saying I'm flexible. I do what they can to get you off. Not just fucking with my makeup on. You can like me, need the apron on. You can tell me need to change my car. You can do it to your favorite song. Take a ride into the danger zone. You know my nigga be bugging me. I just be wondering if you can fuck with me better. Itchy for me like an ugly sweater. Read it in me like a choking. I never knew there was a love like this before. Never had someone to show me a love like this before. We hug and yes, we make love, and always just say goodnight. We cuddle, sure do love it, but I need your lips all night. Can you kiss me hard? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Your eyes, your name, I can hear you sing. I love this, la la la. All on my tongue, I want it. Your eyes, your name, I can hear you sing. I love this, la la la. All on my tongue, I want it. Give me a bug, need the Gucci stuff. Push your limit, now you ain't good enough. All your niggas say that you lost without me. All my bitches feel like I died, so county. Fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need bail, you know that. Caught tripping with your friend, you ain't even have me lying, you know that. Got me a bag for the brick, you know that. Control them so the pace if I throw back. All this ass for real. I'ma make you feel fantasy weird, but baby, it's all I can. Can you kiss me hard? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. It's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move.
Y'all, I'm trying to get pictures for the thumbnail and I'm just not liking how this makeup looks, G. Like on this camera, okay, ease down, like okay, but on my phone camera, it's just like not giving what it's supposed to give. So it's like I don't know. Y'all, so the idea I had at first didn't work out. I ran out of tape to put up the other clear sheet on the wall. So the balloons is just gonna be background.
If we can work together, maybe this can last for
Y'all, so this is the aftermath of the photo shoot. Yeah, I didn't really take the pictures how I really wanted to take the pictures because I just ain't feel like it. So yeah, now I'm finna fix these flowers before they could go up in a vase. So distracted so fast. Hold up, y'all. I'm trying to get a good angle for y'all. Hold up. Hold on. I get like you back in. How can I? This shit just don't want me to be great. Like for what? I really take the pictures how I wanted to take the pictures because I just ain't feel like it. Like I ain't really do the background how I, well damn. I ain't really do the background how I wanted to do the background. So it didn't really turn out how I wanted it to. But the pictures is still decent. I gotta find a new software to edit my pictures on though. Cause I be using Lightroom and PixArt. But I need to learn how to use Photoshop and download Photoshop. Like I ain't wanting to look all over edited and stuff. So yeah, love yourself, G. Self-love, he no love himself, he no trust me. G, I should have put like more eyeshadow to like make the color pop more, but this makeup don't look that bad. Don't look that bad. But yeah, look how pretty. I think I'm fucking up the flower more. Yeah, let me not do that because it's messing up the flower more. Love yourself because ain't nobody gonna love you how you love you. And these motherfuckers, relationships and dating in this motherfucking day and age is just garbaggio. Like, bro, there's no point in even getting in relationships because, like, people will dead ass, like, portray to be one thing in the beginning and flip the script and just be a fucking terrible ass human being and, like, be not what the fuck they was in the beginning. So it's like, I'm cool. With dating, it's like weird because what I've noticed is that like niggas be first to like heal themselves. Take the time out to like fix what's wrong with them for they could find the person they want to be with. While females is still like stuck in their ways and like trying to take a nigga for everything he got. It's like, damn, why you can't heal yourself too to be a better person for your future person? Like, that just don't make sense to me. But hey, to each his own. I mean, they ain't walking in my shoes and I definitely ain't walking in their shoes. So let me not say why do the nigga gotta like put in all the work to like find the person he wanna be with, but like why do it gotta be like that? Like yeah, as a female we are the catch, but it's like don't be no bad catch. Like, bitch, heal yourself and get yourself together for you can be the catch you supposed to be. The fuck? Cause nowadays you're not seeing no relationships last. You're not seeing no relationships go past a couple months. It's probably relationships out there, but the ones I've seen, them motherfuckers is not lasting more than a couple months. Like, I know it is some people out there who like actually been with a motherfucker for years, and like that works for them. Like everybody gonna get their person in the end. And I'm talking about myself too, cause I know for a fact I'm stuck in my ways. Like can't no nigga tell me shit. Like I'm not gonna take no nigga for everything he got, but I'm dead set on what I want and stuff like that. And like I got an attitude problem real bad, and I don't get no fuck with like nobody be saying to me or what the nigga saying to me. So it's like I'm stuck in my ways for sure, but like I got hella nigga tendencies. I just be out niggaing a nigga. Like how the fuck I'm a female and I'm out niggaing a nigga? Like you supposed to be the one who nonchalant and don't get no fuck. Why am I the one who's nonchalant and don't get no fuck, and you over here? But like that's just how I am, G. Like I'm nonchalant as fuck. Like I could show that I care, but it's just like at the same time I just don't give a fuck. So that's why I just told myself like I'ma just be single. I don't get no fuck how much a nigga be like, oh, I want to make you mine and stuff like that. No, you don't. You're gonna hate it here. No, I'm playing. Fuck around and you'll fall in love. But like whole time, I'm just meant to be alone because I just vibe like way better when I'm by myself. I'll probably vibe with a nigga for real, but do I want to right now at this very moment in time? No. And then another thing with like dating this generation, it's like you fuck around and try to like put your all into a relationship and be looking like a whole ass goofy. It's like, what? It never gave goofy, like it never gave clown, like it never gave none of that. So it's like you can't even trust nothing. Let me not say you or people in general. I can't trust nothing, cause baby, you'll be doing all this lovey-dovey shit and a nigga having a field day behind your back. It's like, god damn. If you ain't your nigga like solid or whatever, or locked in or whatever, like, and know for a fact you can trust that motherfucker, and know for a fact he ain't out here doing no grimy shit, by all means, give him your all. But baby, beware, cause these niggas just be thinking they running game and running game on the wrong motherfuckers. Run game on a horse. The fuck? Like everybody have their whore phase. Like the whores need to just be with the whores, and the people who actually trying to get some love and love people need to be with them. Cause the fuck, cause motherfuckers will really be out here heartbroken. But like at the same time too, like whole time like motherfuckers be motherfuckers karma. Cause it's like you done did all this grimy shit and then ran into a bitch that was just like you. Now look at you. Hurt. The niggas be thinking they could run game all they want until they run into a bitch that's just like them. Y'all don't really be commenting on my videos, but like comment if like what you think about dating. What you think about dating in 2024? Y'all, hold up. Look. Don't that look so pretty? Hold up. Damn, a rose fell off. And what else did I want to talk to y'all about? I don't really be having nothing to talk about, y'all, because like I should like actually talk more, but it's just like nah, I ain't doing no talking.